I will show you a simple step you can follow to save your Word document as PDF file. If you've opened your Microsoft Word and you've finished preparing your document, all you just need to do is to head over to your File tab. Once you've clicked your File tab, it brings you up to this interface. The next thing you need to do is to click Save As. Now browse out the location in your laptop or your PC that you want to save that particular file to. Now for me, I wish to save it under my document. Give it a file name, let's say skills. Okay, now under this very place where we have save as type, this is where the magic happens. Now you can just click this very place. Now you see PDF. Just click on this PDF, hit save. Now the document has been converted to PDF file, and this is a simple way you can actually do that in your Word document. Please don't forget to do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to it, and drop a comment for me on the comment section. Bye.